Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add basket to existing order on Tesco. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tesco web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how do you create an account on Tesco? Now you can launch any browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome. Locate the search bar in the browser. Now right there in the search bar, go ahead and type tesco.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Tesco. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And once you're done registering successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tesco. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text. How do you add basket to existing order? Now, otherwise, this is also known as how do you make amends or change your basket after you've placed an order in Tesco. Here's what you should do. Go ahead, all right, to the top left corner of your screen where you're going to find groceries. Click on that, and this takes you to shop groceries. There's an extended menu that has shop groceries, shop homeware, my account, delivery saver, inspiration and events, favorites, my current order, and you have e-gift cards. Now go ahead and click on my current order, and that's going to take you to a window where all your orders are organized. Now here says I have no current order. That's true because I'm new to Tesco. Okay, but then if you have your orders, you're definitely going to find them here. Now right here from this window, I'm going to show you what to do. Now, once you head over to my current orders, which of course you can find here in my orders window, the next thing you're going to have to find is your order. All right, so see your order. Once you check your order, you're going to find an option that says make changes. So select the order that you want, and you're going to see make changes right here in this window. So once you select make changes, the next thing you're going to see is a couple more options, and one of them you're going to find is change items in basket. So select make changes from that window and select change items in basket. Now once you do that, you won't be charged for changing your order. All right, so you must check out your changed order, or you receive your original order without any amends. That's very instructive. Okay, so just go over the process again. Find your order from the my current orders, which is right here. I showed you how to go over here. And then the next thing is click on make changes. And once you select make changes, then you can now select change items in basket and make amends, add new baskets, and you can even add e-coupons and vouchers and type in the code for that new item that you want to add or that you have added. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.